What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Watches channel, and in this video I've got a beautiful custom build for a customer and I'm going to be doing a review on this. So this is the full Tiffany blue face CasiOak G-Shock mod, and what you can see here is that we usually do this in a very subtle Tiffany blue, where we just do it on the hour markers and we leave the rest of the faceplate and the hands with the normal color. But in this one, the customer wanted to go all out with all the Tiffany blue on everything, and that's what we've done. So if you do want to grab this piece, this particular one is not in stock, of course, because it's going straight out to a customer. So it is available on pre-order if you would like something like this. If you want to change up the back, if you want it on a black, or you want it on a rubber bracelet or something like that, we can do that for you as well. But just hit us up on the custom line below and we will be able to help you out with that. Yeah, so basically what we've got here is a Casio G-Shock GA2100 as the base watch model, and then what we've done is we've done a full chapter ring conversion, handset conversion and a faceplate conversion to Tiffany blue, and now all of them are same color and all of them are in this Tiffany blue color, which is really nice. It's a very summer color. I like to associate it with, you know, sitting on the pool, sitting near the pool on the beach somewhere. Wearing this sort of watch, it's going to look really nice due to that nice bright blue color. So yeah, you will have noticed that with a lot of our pieces we usually do the hour markers Tiffany blue, and the rest of the stuff we keep the same just to give it a pop of color. But this is obviously for a custom order, and they've gone with the full Tiffany blue on all of the handsets and the hour marker, faceplate, everything. And yeah, so it's a lot more vibrant than the Tiffany blue ones that we usually do, because they're a lot more subtle, but this is a lot more vibrant. But again, this is what the customer wanted, and that's what we've gone ahead and done for them. We've put this on a silver CasiOak bracelet once again. That was a request from the customer. So 904L stainless steel once again. Very nice bracelet, very hefty, and comes with a butterfly clasp on the back, as you can see. And it's also corrosion proof as well, and you must remember that these G-Shocks are 200-meter water resistant as well, so if you do want to go swimming in it, by all means do so. It's going to hold up just well, absolutely fine, no problem at all. It's waterproof up to 200 meters, which is a very good rating if you do want to go swimming and diving and things like that. So yeah, this particular model is only available on pre-order. We do not have this in stock. As I mentioned, this is for a customer, so this is going to be going out to them. So if you do want to order one of these, hit us up on the customs line below. Chat to us on WhatsApp, let us know that this is the one that you want, and we will get this made for you if you're willing to wait the 3 to 4 week period. It's free deliveries all in the UK, next day delivery. If you're in the US, we also do delivery to you guys as well for a small fee. You should get it in about a week's time, week to 10 days. And if you're in Europe or any other country, then we also ship there as well. But you will be responsible for the customs and VAT when it lands in your country.